Welcome back to Umbria. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Città di Castello. This is a very ancient town. In fact, it was founded by Umbri 300 years before it would become a Roman colony. So it has over 2000 years of history. It is crossed by the river Tiber, which is the same river that arrives to Rome. This town is in a very interesting location. In fact, it is just 5 minutes away to the border with Tuscany. So in just 5 minutes, you can move from a region to the other. The property we are viewing today is an historical townhouse right in the center of Città di Castello. Let's have a walk together. Come with me. And here we are outside the apartment. The building dates back to medieval times, but in the 19th century it's been restored, improved and modernized. This is the main entrance. Let's go inside. And here we are in the entrance hall of the townhouse. As you can see, all the original historical details have been preserved, like these stunning vaulted ceilings and all the stone details. Through these staircase we get to the apartment, and through this opening we arrive over here to a storage room where you can keep your bike or also wood for the winter, and in the end the access to the elevator, which is a very special feature for an apartment. Let's now go upstairs. We are now on the second floor of the townhouse. Here is where we find the entrance door of the apartment. Over there is another entrance that gets through the studio and accesses the apartment. And through this door we arrive to the elevator. Let's now go inside. As soon as you walk inside, you find yourself in this beautiful living area. It is full of stunning details and so much light is shining through, thanks to these openings. There is double height ceilings that gives this sense of open space, and beautiful details like this sienna marble fireplace, teak parquet floor. This room is a bit like the heart of the apartment. In fact, from here you get to all the other rooms. Passing through this door, you get to the kitchen. Over there, you access to the dining room, and through the stairs to the mezzanine floor and second floor of the apartment. Whereas passing through here, you get to all the bedrooms. Let's go to see the kitchen. This is the kitchen. It is fully equipped and it has a granite top. It also has traditional wooden beam ceilings, and through this door we access to this beautiful dining room. It is full of light and it has some beautiful proportions and really high ceilings. Through this window you can see the street, and passing through this door there is another access to the dining room. This is very handy because if you have guests at home, they can access the dining room straight away from the living area without passing through the kitchen. We're back in the living area. From here, we will now go to some of the bedrooms. This apartment is really interesting because since it has two separate accesses, you can enter from here and enjoy this part. In fact, there are some bedrooms also on the upper floor, and also access through the other door, passing through the studio, and arrive to this other part of the apartment with another two bedrooms. Let's go and see it. Coming from the living area, we find this L-shaped corridor where we access through this door to a bathroom that also has another access and gets to a bedroom. And through this door there is a laundry. If we keep going, we find the access to one guest bedroom, which is the one that is connected to the bathroom. And through here, another bedroom. A feature that I love is that passing through this door, you access to the studio with independent access. This is for sure one of my favorite rooms in the house, since it is really reserved and cozy. These windows have a view on the internal courtyard of the property, so it is bright but at the same time very silent and reserved, perfect for reading and meditating. We're back in the living area of the property. Let's now pass through the stairs and go to the mezzanine floor and second floor of the apartment. Through this mezzanine floor, we access to the rest of the rooms. Come upstairs with me and I'll show you. Through these two doors, we access to two bedrooms perfect for kids. And here there is the shared bathroom of the bedrooms. Passing through this opening, we get to what is, in my opinion, the best part of the property, which I left for last. This is what was the attic of the property that, after the restoration, has been turned into a music room. In fact, have a look at this beautiful piano, and a relaxation room. It is equipped with air conditioned, just like every other room on this floor, and passing through these stairs we get to this little living area, which enjoys so much light thanks to all these windows. In fact, through here there is a little terrace, and these windows close it, creating like a winter garden. So you can sit here, relax, just beside the fireplace and enjoy the view. Have a look at this beautiful little terrace. It is full of plants, and it is such a special feature for an apartment in the historical center of a town. And in this beautiful location, I would like to end today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.